Ethereum, ETH. A sneak look. While government-provided sorts of cash truly are losing their sheen in the recessionary time of world economies, computerized monetary standards in a real sense are getting a move on. One of the designated ponders among crypto assets explicitly is Ethereum, included as ETH, which is the nearby computerized cash considering the stage in an unpretentious manner. With kind of decentralized finance, DeFi, transforming into extremely popular, computations and science-upheld computerized monetary forms, appear to manage the blockchain world, which sort of is genuinely huge. They really incorporate splendid understanding value as well as recommendation a safe and significantly secure game plan of trades and trading, with center individuals included, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A miracle creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a for the most part undeniable level blockchain project and by and large popular among computerized cash sweethearts, fundamentally due to its nodal position in the domain of cryptographic types of cash in a significant manner. Take a gander at the coin nuances before we jump to distinct Ethereum cost gauge today, or so they thought. The kind of secret uncoded innovation behind Ethereum blockchain computation being the center period of this cryptographic cash, the kind of entire idiosyncrasy and key point of convergence of this advanced money, explicitly is programmability, which is very huge. This allows the clients to benefit from a mechanized money perspective and use Ether crypto for all, especially business-focused trades like financial organizations, applications, games, and things, to sort of give a few models, which can be founded on the stage. As figured out above, Ethereum engages specialists to plan and work on quick arrangements, normally executing errands under unambiguous conditions. Going through the different extraordinary stages and headway techniques, the stage basically has explicitly remained with its plan and things to dependably update the show to ensure additionally created comfort, security, handiness, and decentralization in an unpretentious way. Ethereum. The really exact ascent. What generally makes Ethereum computerized cash a pursuit award generally is a result of its assumption considering pivotal points of view in an unobtrusive manner. Here cash speed moves toward the expense leftover portion in an unobtrusive manner. All sums generally are described in government-provided cash units, setting P equals 1 and M in a real not entirely set in stone, by the amount of computerized monetary standards, copied by the expense of single crypto, Q sort of is the way especially much in every practical sense, worth being gotten across the association, and V''S' assessment go on as in the past. Hence this capacity works on the essentially base design that cryptographic cash in a real sense is conflictingly comparative with its speed in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum system as of now, most endeavors in a real sense rely upon Ethereum as a public blockchain, which grants permission to a by and large greater horde of clients, money, center points, and markets, or so they thought. In any case, there are really commonly inspirations to incline toward a consortium or truly private blockchain, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. For example, associations in the monetary region are seeing Ethereum as a phase for their genuinely private blockchains. Without a doubt, even Ethereum has been utilized for some basic coin offering events in an unpretentious manner. Public blockchains. These in every practical sense are totally decentralized and gotten using verification of work or confirmation of stake estimations, observing a regular guideline that the amount someone can affect the understanding cycle, sort of is most certainly comparative with the amount of financial resources that they can bring to bear in a real sense. Consortium blockchains. These basically are somewhat especially decentralized where a lot of center points controls the cycle. For example, one could generally imagine a consortium of 15 money-related foundations, all of which works as center point, and of which 10 ought to sign each block for the block to in every practical sense, be genuine, or so they thought. Private blockchains. A truly private blockchain is concentrated to one relationship for making a sense, or so they generally thought. Scrutinize approvals could in a real sense be most certainly open or restricted to a whimsical degree. Legitimate applications especially consolidate database organization, examining, etc., internal to a by and large loan association. So expansive lucidness may not be significant as a rule, truly open auditability especially is fundamentally needed in various cases, or so they generally thought. All above add to the truly broad Ether organic framework by placing assets into Ethereum programming improvement. Over the by and large long stretch, this believers into programming upgrades, shared data, and open situations in an unpretentious way. Giving a polling form frameworks a role as we have seen with DAO, projecting a polling form systems basically are similarly adapting Ethereum, which by and large is genuinely critical. Reviews, cycles, and results essentially are likewise dependent upon ETH, and they ensure a totally lovely clear and in every way that really matters, fair cycle by giving no flaws during the time, generally spent projecting a voting form. Banking frameworks Ethereum especially is very hard for software engineers to break, as the entire monetary system should truly be sans hack, allowing unapproved access in every way that really matters, significant way. Without a doubt, even the portion and settlement systems especially rely upon ETH, embraced by banks by and large, which especially is very critical. Sending Ethereum in conveyance in every practical sense, helps with the accompanying of cargo, and holds items back from being lost or adulterated, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ether gives the provenance and following construction for any asset expected in a by and large ordinary creation organization. Game plans with Ethereum pretty astute agreements, courses of action can be generally stayed aware of and executed with especially close to no change for making and cautiously recording the courses of action and trades, which really is very critical. Tries organizations can really gather Ethereum-based things using its connection and play feature, which is genuinely critical. They can plug the private blockchain into the public mainnet as opposed to prevalent thinking. The interoperability of the Ethereum generally incorporate truly keeps blockchains in every way that really matters, revived. It outfits them with in every way that really matters, overall expansion, consistent in every way that really matters, developments and upgrades, and a very massive association of clients and dApps for the things. Try Ethereum implies a described arrangement of rules and concentrated subtleties to accelerate blockchain development gathering among endeavors incredibly. The subtleties grant associations to utilize both Ethereum-based truly confidential chains and the extremely open mainnet in a very huge manner. The endeavor Ethereum really specific essentially is stayed aware of by the undertaking Ethereum Collusion, EEA, a cooperation of blockchain and tenant associations all over the planet in every practical sense, large way. Ethereum 2.0 additionally called Tranquility, ETH 2.0 is the extension of Ethereum with especially added generally features to promote basically foster handiness and different expenses, or so they thought. It fundamentally is next in line for upgradation in the Ethereum blockchain. Set to be conveyed soon, it will have a by and large sluggish and solid stage-wise unveiling, with market tests and starters, to explicitly see mass gathering and value, which explicitly is genuinely huge. ETH cryptographic cache truly is set to really be ready for angular recovery. The stamping for ETH 2.0 in every practical sense is determinedly flooding, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. As a herald to extra really redesign and efficiency, the 2.0 will pretty present a sharding strategy in an unpretentious manner. To diminish the trade cost and speed up the work, incorporating sharding with a mix will extend its resource usage execution staggeringly, or so they thought. That will especially be achieved by data affirmation among sets of center points, and each will be responsible for checking the data it has gotten, which essentially is genuinely critical. This could increase by in kind of huge breaking point. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 will in a real sense start web low level, figuring truly build in a system they recalling UASM that would before especially lengthy replace EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, allowing a choice from various lingos to make code to truly run on the blockchain, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum 2.0 in a real sense is presently one more piece for the most part ever closer explicitly attract extra